Ever stared longingly at your screen, craving your favorite meal, only to be met with a frustrating Uber Eats payment error? Don't let payment problems keep you hungry. Let's dive into fixing those common Uber Eats payment errors so you can get that delicious food delivered. First things first, double-check your card details. This is the most frequent culprit. Make sure the 16-digit card number is entered exactly as it appears on your physical card, with no spaces or dashes. Also, verify the expiry date is correct. Next, locate the 3 or 4-digit security code, often called the CVC or CVV, usually on the back of your card. Enter this accurately if you're using a prepaid card or a virtual card. Ensure it's activated and has been funded properly. Insufficient funds can also be a showstopper if you suspect this might be the case. A quick check of your bank balance or contacting your bank can confirm if you have enough money tied to that payment method. Sometimes the simplest solution is to add a different payment method from scratch. This can bypass any saved data discrepancies. Go to your Uber Eats account settings, tap on Payment, and select Add Payment Method. Try entering your card details again with fresh input. Is your Uber Eats app up to date? An outdated app can cause all sorts of glitches. Head to your device's app store and check for any available updates for Uber Eats. Installing the latest version often resolves hidden bugs. A quick app restart can work wonders. Try fully closing the Uber Eats app €. That means swiping it away from your recent apps list €, and then reopening it. This can refresh the app's processes and clear temporary errors. If the problem persists, consider your payment processor. Sometimes there's a temporary issue with the bank or card issuer. Trying a different card or even a digital wallet like PayPal, if accepted by Uber Eats, can help you get your order through. By systematically checking these steps, you should be able to conquer that Uber Eats payment error and get back to enjoying your delicious deliveries.